detox simply means to remove toxins from the body, and there are many reasons why you need a detox. Number one is to remove toxins, another is to reset your metabolism, another is to enhance weight loss. I hear people say, oh, you know what, I just can't lose weight anymore. No matter what I do, I can't lose weight. My body's gotten to a set point, and that's because there are toxins that are blocking the progress of your weight loss or your diet plan. So you need a detox to remove those toxins, and you see your body just giving off weight easily once more. Another is to enhance your immune system to prevent chronic disease and to improve your mental clarity. Here we have 4 simple ingredients to use for a detox smoothie. One be banana, berries, and we have kale and spinach. I'm going to make one smoothie which has berries, spinach, kale, and bananas. And I'm going to make another smoothie which has just bananas, kale, and spinach. Spinach is very important for cleansing the blood vessels. It also helps your skin get brighter. Kale is very important for mental alertness and clarity. Berries are very good against cancer cells. They help to kill them even before they begin to spring up. And we also have bananas, which are very, very high in potassium, and it helps you just feel good and feel happy for the rest of the day. So these are very important items we'll be using today for our detox smoothie. No dairy, no cooked food, just these items or similar items that you could substitute these items with to make your own detox smoothie. I'll begin adding all my items in the blender to mix it up and blend. So I'll put the berries first, make sure I put all my thawed berries in the blender, and then I'm gonna go ahead to just break in pieces my bananas, and I'm gonna go ahead as well to add my kale and just blend them together. So one would be with the berries, and remember the other would be without the berries, just for people who can find berries wherever they live. And so you can just mix the spinach, fresh spinach from the store, and kale with your bananas, because the sugar in bananas is just awesome, and it's going to just dissolve any taste, any bitterness from the leaves. And there you have it, our first smoothie looking all red due to the berries we added, and our second smoothie looking all green because there are no berries in this one. So go ahead, try, let me know how it is and how you feel. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed week.